Hi and welcome to 60 Seconds At, a series of 60-second videos in and around the Lake District. To keep up to date, please subscribe. One of the finest stone circles in the north of England, Long Meg and her daughters has a diameter of about 350 feet. Long Meg, the tallest, about 12 feet high, with three mysterious symbols in the style associated with the Bronze Age. Its four corners facing the points of the compass. Long Meg is made of local red sandstone, whereas the daughters are boulders of rhyolite, a form of granite. The stones probably date back from about 1500 BC, and it was likely to have been used as a meeting place for some form of religious ritual. There are faint traces of spiral carvings in the face of Long Meg. Local folklore says that the stones were a coven of witches. They were celebrating their sabbath when a magician or a saint found them and then turned them into stone. It is said that if the circle is moved or destroyed, terrible misfortune, perhaps in the form of a ferocious storm, will fall upon those responsible.